Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Utsana. Today we are at Margaritaville Vacation Club, Wyndham, St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. This is a 3-bedroom presidential suite that has a beautiful room with the view and complete kitchenette, include a bar area, and all 3 rooms had a relaxing outdoor seating area. The kitchen is up to date, spacious, and packed with everything you need: plate, cup, bowls, utensil, cutlery, even dishwasher. Ice machine and margarita machine. And just a few steps to a pool area. This room is a master bedroom, which had their own master bathroom with a double sink, with a shower area and a separate toilet. The second bedroom had the king-size bed, dresser, TV, and also an outdoor seating area. The bathroom is just outside of the bedroom. Really spacious and full of the equipment. The third bedroom is also the king-size bed, the dresser, TV, and a seating area. This 3-bedroom presidential suite is about $1,900 a night. Thanks for watching. See you next time.